First among the ADC static errors comes the offset error. As the name describes, it is the error which comes from something which gets offset from its regular place. For example, the black dotted line that we see here is the ideal ADC graph. The most optimal or perfect ADC, as they call it, is a graph which clearly crosses one half of the step width in the time domain or the input side and gives the output code here. So if you can see, for this 8 level ADC with a 3-bit voltage, each of these graphs are crossing at one half or in the middle of each step, and they are all having a uniform step height for each code. So this is the perfect ADC. Now, in most cases, you will see that the actual ADC does not start from 0. The actual ADC output might have a slightly different. You could say it is either having a positive supply or it is a negative supply. The ADC can have one code higher, say it starts at 001 with this small black dotted line, and it could have its transfer function like this, where it skips one code but has the same nature on its own. So this is called one of the ADC. The other is on the other side, where below the black thick black color graph in the green, you could see it is having an offset which is much on the right hand side, and it grows the staircase waveform and transfer function accordingly. Now these are called the negative and positive offset errors respectively. The reason it is called negative is the black dotted line is to the left of the black line where it actually starts off. So here, since it is starting off little to the right, it is a 1 LSB offset, meaning 1 LSB exactly difference is present, or one step size difference, because each step size is 1 LSB. It is exactly one step size apart. But on the green side, you can see that the offset is close to 1.5 LSB, meaning starting from here, it is 1 LSB to the right plus another half. So this 1.5 LSB is the offset. Now, the green one is called a positive offset of plus 1.5, and the left hand side in the black is showing the minus 1 LSB offset. So this typically happens in practical scenarios. So it is the duty of the designer to ensure that this offset is corrected and this green graph is moved to the left and the black graph is moved to the right. That way you will try and reduce the number of offset and ensure that there is better accuracy and less offset error. This is ADC offset error.